secret ingredient hunt, chef's culinary journey on the island of Santa Marina Salina. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In the previous episode, our chef Federica Martinazzi showed us how to cook on board two delicious foods with only a few ingredients. In this week's video, she is about to bring us where she buys the ingredients for her meal while she is sailing around on the Migaloo catamaran. We jump on the tender and we reach the small and picturesque island of Santa Marina Salina, a hidden gem in the Aeolian archipelago, known for its lush landscapes and rich culinary heritage. This island is a paradise for food lovers and is also a World Heritage Site. Today, we embark on a unique journey with our chef as she reveals her secret spots for sourcing the finest ingredients. Join us as we explore the heart of this place, uncovering the secrets behind the flavors that make this island a true culinary paradise. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a curious traveler, this journey promises to inspire and delight.
I'm completely wet! Completely!
As we wander through the charming streets, we discover quaint shops tucked away from the main paths. These hidden treasures offer fresh fish, artisanal delicacies such as arancini, brioche col tuppo, cannoli, pasta di mandorle, cured meat, each with a story that reflects the island's rich history and traditions. Santa Marina Salina is not just a feast for the senses, but also a place steeped in history. The island's volcanic soil and Mediterranean climate create the perfect conditions for growing capers and producing the renowned Malvasia wine, both integral to the island's culinary identity. In the next episode, we are going to reach Vulcano, pomice and stromboli, sailing on the beautiful Migaloo. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more travel content. See you in the next video. Ciao!